It's been almost 2.5 years now that I'm living in hostel, and I have realized there are few things which are very crucial when you come to college.
I wish a void opened in the air.
In case if you're hostel, this video is for you. Welcome to the channel. My name is Ayushi and I'm a third year undergrad student at VIT AP, and this video is about hostel essentials. So this video is basically divided into 5 sections. First one being the daily stuff. Second one is stationery items. Third one is electrical things. Fourth one important documents. Fifth one clothing and footwear. Section is the daily stuff. So in daily stuff comes this many things. Firstly, the normal ones: toothbrush, toothpaste, tongue cleaner, detergent, soaps. But once you go to the hostel, most of the time, like laundry is there, but still you have to wash it. There's some clothes which you have to wash by yourself. Brush for washing clothes, that comes under that only. Towel, bedsheet, blanket, dusting cloth for sure, because sometimes आपको कभी अपना लैपटॉप क्लीन करना है, इतनी डस्ट हो जाती है ऊपर, तो you need one normal microfiber type cloth. Sunscreen, shampoo, water bottle for sure. You'll carry it to the classes. In hostel you'll need for most of the time. Paper soap, hand wash, ठीक है, nail clipper, earbuds, laundry bag, lock you need, spoon, plate, bowl, necessary medicines. So once you go to hostel, you should at least keep some of the medicines like for fever, for vomiting, for headache. Keep all these things so that आपके पास medicine है. You don't have to rush every time towards this medical in the college. Then comes umbrella for sure. If you're someone studying in south, for sure you need it because बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है south में. You need umbrella and perfumes, deodorant for sure. Now coming back to some of the stationery items. Notebooks can be any, like you can take spiral one or ruled one. It completely depends on you. Pen, pencil, and eraser. These are the basic things. College bag you need. Sticky notes or marker. Under electrical items comes the charger, laptop. Power bank is optional. If you need it, take it. Otherwise, you don't have. Then comes the headphones. You need for sure headphones or earphones, anything which is working for you, take it. And electrical stuffs like irons and this kettle, they are not allowed in my college. If they are allowed in your college, you can take it for your own comfort, but in my college it's not allowed, so we won't take. And people who ask me ki, can we take it? So the thing is, if you're smart enough, you can take it. Then comes the important document. This is one of the things which is very important. Like you should have your original Aadhaar card with you, and you should for sure have the photocopy of it, at least 2 sets of photocopies, so it's good for you only. Keep passport size photo, at least 9 to 10 I'll say, because so once you go to the college when you are fresher, you need it because you have to submit so many documents to the students record section or to the departments. So they'll ask you for some photos, your Aadhaar card and everything. For sure keep the photocopies of your Aadhaar card, and for sure keep 10th 12th mark sheet original because they'll ask you to submit in a first year or almost second year, and that you need to carry. Now coming for clothing, so see, for boys you should for sure have some t-shirts, shirts, jeans, trousers that you want to have, have this cargo pants, etc. Do have some, blowers and all, because if it is summer, you really need to have comfort. I would say choose comfort over any other thing, because that is what matters, right? If for girls, go for tops, t-shirt, jeans, kurtis, whatever you want to take. Keep formals as well as ethnic clothes also, because sometimes in college there will be events, they'll ask you to come in ethnic. Really the condition, you have to come in ethnic, but it depends. So keep it, because there will be so many, some of the time you might not come home for attending the festivals. You will be there in the college. And the footwear comes the Crocs, very important. 95% of my classes I've attended with Crocs only, because it's so hot. I can't go with that shoes. Or keep sandals. Have sneakers, pair of sneakers, and take sleepers along with you for hostel purpose and all. These are some of the stuff that I think you need in college. And one more important thing is I'll attach the Google form in the description. So before you go to hostel, just go and just checklist all of the things that you really need in your hostel essentials. And as well as I'll attach this link of this whimsical. So even in case if I'm not able to attach the Google form, this link is with you. So before you go to the hostel, just keep a checklist so that you know these are the things which I've kept it. Yeah. So that's it for this video. And in case if I missed something, I know there will be something. Please do comment so that people who come to the video, they know what are the things they still need to pack. So that's it for this video. All the best for your college journey. Enjoy well, work more. Thank you very much for watching the video.